This could be the car for you. The 2022 Subaru Ascent. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish and versatile Ascent that's ready for your family adventures. Smooth and capable, this spacious three-row SUV packs the features you need to keep your crew safe, comfortable, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Enjoy every adventure in this capable Ascent. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.